Welcome to THT Design Channel. I'm THT, a designer and researcher of homes and living spaces. I am happy to share pictures and knowledge about the house with everyone. Imagine a bedroom shrouded in quiet elegance, where drama meets serenity. This is the essence of a black stone bedroom design. Here's a description to bring it to life. Dramatic backdrop. Black stone walls or panels create a bold and sophisticated backdrop. This could be black granite, slate, or soapstone, depending on the desired texture and budget. The dark stone adds a touch of mystery and instantly elevates the space to feel luxurious and intimate. Textural contrast is essential to prevent the room from feeling cave-like. Contrasting textures and pops of light are essential. Think light-colored bedding in crisp white or calming gray. Introduce warmth with a woven rug in natural fibers like wool or jute. Wooden nightstands with clean lines and soft ambient lighting add a touch of comfort. Strategic lighting design. Lighting plays a crucial role in a black stone bedroom. Harsh overhead lights can be unflattering. Opt for soft, diffused lighting to create a calming ambience. Utilize recessed lights with dimmers for overall illumination. Add wall sconces on either side of the bed for task lighting and a touch of symmetry. Consider floor lamps in the corners to create pools of light and add visual interest. Focal point and minimalism. The bed often becomes the focal point in a black stone bedroom. Choose a simple yet elegant bed frame in wood or a platform bed with clean lines. Avoid clutter on the walls. A statement piece of artwork or a sculptural vase can add personality without overwhelming the space. Pops of color, optional. While black and neutrals dominate, a touch of color can add personality. Consider throw pillows in emerald green or ochre yellow for a vibrant accent. A soft throw blanket in a warm hue can add a touch of cozy comfort. Overall vibe. This black stone bedroom design is a beautiful paradox, bold yet serene, dramatic yet inviting. It's a space that promotes relaxation and tranquility, perfect for unwinding after a long day. The contrasting elements ensure it remains visually interesting and avoids feeling too dark or heavy. There are several compelling reasons to consider a black stone bedroom design for a unique and dramatic space. Sophistication and drama. Bold statement. Black stone creates a powerful and sophisticated look. It exudes a sense of luxury and instantly elevates the space, making it a great choice for those who prefer a dramatic and unique aesthetic. Timeless appeal. Black is a timeless color that never goes out of style. A black stone bedroom will remain chic and relevant for years to come. Unexpected benefits. Serene and calming atmosphere. Despite its boldness, black can create a surprisingly serene and calming atmosphere. The dark color promotes a sense of peacefulness. Perfect for a restful night's sleep. Potential to hide imperfections. Black stone can hide minor dust and imperfections on the walls compared to lighter colors, reducing the need for frequent cleaning. Design versatility and personalization. Neutral backdrop for creativity. Black acts as a neutral backdrop that allows you to experiment with various design elements. Light-colored bedding, pops of color, contrasting textures, and different lighting techniques can all be incorporated to create a personalized and stylish haven, highlighting specific elements. The dark canvas of black stone allows specific features to take center stage. This could be a statement piece of artwork, a sculptural lamp, or unique throw pillows. Additional considerations. Space requirements. Black stone can visually shrink a room. This design approach might be better suited for larger bedrooms with ample natural light. Lighting is crucial. Proper lighting is essential in a black stone bedroom to avoid a cave-like feel. Utilize a combination of lighting techniques to create a balanced and inviting space. Maintenance needs. Certain black stones may require specific cleaning and sealing practices. Research the specific care requirements of your chosen stone to ensure it maintains its beauty. Overall, a black stone bedroom design offers a unique blend of sophistication, drama, unexpected serenity, and surprising practicality. It's a bold statement that creates a luxurious and personalized space, perfect for those who appreciate a unique and impactful aesthetic. Here's a roadmap to guide you through creating a dramatic and serene black stone bedroom. Planning and inspiration. 1. Define your style. Do you envision a sleek and modern black stone bedroom, a dramatic and luxurious retreat, or a surprisingly cozy and calming space? Browse design magazines, websites, and social media platforms like Pinterest for inspiration. Create a mood board to visualize your desired look and feel. Consider the overall experience you want to create, a sense of drama and luxury, a calming retreat, or a balance of both. 2. Measure your space. Accurately measure your bedroom's dimensions. This will determine the amount of black stone material required, if using wall panels. The size and layout of furniture for optimal functionality, and ensure everything fits comfortably. 3. Budgeting. Set a realistic budget for your project. Black stone can vary in price depending on the type chosen. Factor in the cost of materials, stone panels if applicable, professional installation, if applicable, furniture, lighting, bedding, rugs, artwork, and any additional features. Material selection and considerations. 1. Choosing black stone. If using, research different types of black stone like black granite, slate, or soapstone. Consider their aesthetic qualities, durability, porosity, stain resistance, and price point. Consult with a stone supplier or interior designer for guidance based on your budget. Desired look and lifestyle needs, e.g., potential for moisture. 2. Black stone application. Decide how extensively you'll use black stone. Consider using black stone panels for an accent wall or all 4 walls. Remember, black stone on all walls can be visually overwhelming in smaller rooms. Countering the darkness. 1. Light-colored bedding. Opt for light-colored bedding in crisp white, calming gray, or a soft neutral tone to create contrast and prevent the space from feeling too dark. Choose breathable fabrics like linen or cotton for a touch of luxury. 2. Warm wood accents. Introduce warmth through textured wood elements. Think of wooden nightstands, a platform bed frame, or a wooden bench at the foot of the bed. Wooden lamp bases or picture frames can also add a touch of warmth. 3. Area rug and throw pillows. An area rug in natural fibers like wool or jute adds warmth, texture, and a pop of color. Throw pillows in contrasting or complementary colors can add personality without overwhelming the space. Lighting design. 1. Layered lighting scheme. Plan a layered lighting scheme to create a balanced and inviting space. Avoid harsh overhead lights. Utilize recessed lights with dimmers for overall illumination. Add wall sconces on either side of the bed for task lighting and ambience. Consider floor lamps in the corners to create pools of light and add visual interest. 2. Maximize natural light. Make the most of natural light by keeping windows clear of clutter and using light-filtering curtains instead of heavy drapes. Additional tips. Sample selection. If using black stone panels, always order samples to see how they look in your existing lighting and with your chosen bedding colors. Minimize clutter. Black stone can highlight clutter. Maintain a clean and organized space to maximize the sophisticated and dramatic effect. Focal point. The bed often becomes the focal point. Choose a simple yet elegant bed frame in wood or a platform bed with clean lines. Statement art. Optional. A statement piece of artwork in a contrasting color can add personality and visual interest. Greenery. Consider adding a touch of greenery with a low-maintenance plant to bring life to the space. By following these steps and personalizing your vision, you can create a stunning black stone bedroom that is both bold and inviting. It will be a space that promotes relaxation and tranquility, while reflecting your unique style. Please comment below to share your favorite home design style. In addition, you can refer to some images and videos about designs on my channel to get more ideas for your home. Thanks for watching our video. Subscribe to the channel to follow the latest design trend videos. Don't forget to like and share the video if you like it.